Hi students, today my topic is related with how to extract the text value from the customized value like email address and like other text values in which we have like separated values like at the rate, dash and commas. Here it is. I am like to lift this username from this email address. In Excel, this will quite a difficult task, but in Power BI, this is very easy. So I will let you know how we can lift that username from this email ID, which is very simple. Go and select the email address first for full column like that, and after that you can go to add column tab, and you will go to extract tab. After that you see here the text like text before delimiter. Here it is. Here we say a delimiter like at the rate. Okay. We have a delimiter like at the rate. So I am going to press extract key, and text before delimiter. It means the text is before delimiter. What is the delimiter? R is at the rate. I tap at the rate here and press OK. Once we press OK, then automatically Power BI will create it, the next column for me, uh, just like this. You see this. I easily get the username from email ID. This is very easy, and I need to revise the name of the by double clicking like that. Username, it's my username, just like this. It's very easy, but in Excel this will quite difficult for us. So thank you very much students. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and keep messaging me for any query. Thank you very much. Thank you.